Hi everyone, you've made it to the end of the course. So today we're doing a little recap of everything we've covered. Cold calling can be challenging, but with these skills you'll be ready to go. So let's jump into what we've learned. We started with why cold calling is so important. It gives you direct access to decision makers and helps you build personal relationships in real time. We learned how to personalize your script to sound natural. Remember, you only have 6 to 8 seconds to grab their attention, so make it count. Next, we covered pattern interrupts, ways to break the typical cold call routine and grab attention. Doing something unexpected helps you stand out. Personalizing your opener is crucial. Doing your research and addressing their pain points in the first few seconds shows that you're relevant to them. We talked about setting clear expectations using an upfront contract. This keeps the call structured and makes sure the prospect knows what's coming next. We covered how to communicate your product's value by focusing on benefits, not just features. Tailor your message to solve their specific problems. Asking open-ended questions helps you create a conversation and qualify or disqualify prospects. Don't be afraid of no. It can lead to valuable insights. Before even calling, preparation is key. Time block and organize your prospect list. Get in the right mindset and it sets you up for success. Matching your prospect's tone is so important. Avoid asking, "Did I catch you at a bad time?" and instead, keep your opener clear and direct. We covered how to handle objections by preparing in advance, understanding the difference between a real objection and a fob-off. It's essential to keep in control. Ask for the meeting at the right time when the prospect is engaged. Also give them control over scheduling and confirm the meeting on the spot. Building trust is key to long-term success. Personal connections, active listening, and setting clear expectations are crucial in building rapport. Finally, we learned how to follow up effectively. Send a summary email, a reminder before the meeting, and connect with your prospect on LinkedIn to stay in touch. So that's it. You've completed the course. Cold calling isn't easy, but with these tools, you're well prepared to succeed. Thank you so much for taking part, and honestly, best of luck for all of your future calls. And don't forget, please do connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is on the page. If you have any questions or you want to stay in touch, feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to respond. Thank you again, and remember, your future is on merit.